Hey everyone, welcome to Bustle Bites Shop Holiday Edition. Today I'm teaching you how to make these mesmerizing tie-dye holiday cookies. They're perfect for a cookie swap or a gift. They are so beautiful, they taste great, and they're really easy to make. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to start with our cookie dough. I'm using store-bought sugar cookie dough, making it super easy on myself. And we're just going to cut it into 4 pieces. And then we're going to use gel food coloring to color each piece of dough. Now, here's the fun part. We are going to turn each of these cookie dough balls into snakes. So roll it out in between your hands and line the snakes up on the plastic wrap. And now we're going to use the plastic wrap to fold the snakes onto each other until it looks like a cookie dough log. Okay, great. Put it in the fridge to chill. Our dough is chilled, and now is the really fun part. We are going to take the dough and just break it in half, and you see that really colorful cross section. Now push those 2 halves together and then break it again in half. And now push those quarters together, and then one more time, break it in half and push it together. And now we can pat it out and you can see all those little specks of color. So we have parchment paper to prevent sticking. Let's flour our dough a little bit and our rolling pin. You don't want this to stick. And now let's just roll it out. This part is so mesmerizing. And now take your cookie cutters and start punching out your cookies. Now use an offset spatula to move the cookies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. And now we're going to bake our cookies at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. We are going to make the icing. It's so easy, it's just powdered sugar and milk. So let's whisk that together until smooth. And now let's pour it into 4 bowls, leaving some extra in that big mixing bowl. And just like the dough, we're going to dye each of these 4 bowls with gel food coloring. Great, we have our 4 colors and we have the white left over. We're going to pour some of the white icing onto a plate. And now just drizzle the other colors onto the white. Okay, now take your cookie and dip it in and press it down to make sure the entire surface is in the icing. And now lift it up. That is so cool. I swear these are so fun to make and even more fun to eat. Keep dipping them until they're all tie-dye. After 3 dips, clean your plate and put on some fresh icing. Now we're going to put our iced cookies onto our wire rack on a baking sheet to catch the extra dripping. And if you want, you can add some iridescent pearl sprinkles like I did. This icing takes around 2 hours to harden, but it's best if you leave them overnight. Once the cookies are hard, they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this mesmerizing tie-dye cookie recipe. Tag us if you make it, and we'll see you next time.